chilled, relaxed plant content where we talk about our plants and we try to learn the best way to grow them so they grow how we want them to grow. If that sounds like something you're interested in or you want to participate in, hit the subscribe button and let's be Planty friends. So, I'm in a van. It's empty. We're on our way to get the rest of my stuff from school and move it back. I'm not driving. He is, so it's okay. And yeah, I'm just doing this little intro so that when we get there, we can go straight into packing up the van. I don't know how much I'm going to record of that. It's really just picking things up, putting things down, packing a van. There's nothing really interesting. I'll show you what plants I have left there and how they're looking. And yeah, so I'll see you in about 6 hours when we get there. Alright, bye. Hey guys, so we're here at the apartment. We already started packing up some of the shelves. I'll show you really quick what we have left. And yeah, alright, first this is the empty wall. These are how these guys fold up. I have a video unboxing these when I bought them, so if you're interested in them, they're origami brand. I got them off of Amazon. They're cheaper than IKEA and they're easy to move if you're a renter. So we have a bunch of Hoyas. Everybody looks good. They've been here close to 4 weeks now. We have my succulents, which also look good. I think my purple passion plant took the biggest hit, but I think she'll come back, and if not, she's easy to find. So yeah, all right, I'm gonna get back to packing. Alrighty, see ya later. All right guys, so we got this. We've already taken some bins to the van already. Everything is pretty much off. Everything is touching. I feel like everything is gonna have mealy bugs, so I guess be prepared for a lot of cleaning and pest treatment content in the next couple of months, because yeah, we're cleaning everything. But we got this much stuff left, some stuff in the bedroom, and yeah, that's it. All right, check in with you a little later. All right guys, so these are the plants. We brought them back. I'm gonna treat them with some spray. My neighbor is blasting some music, so I'm gonna do a little just silent showing. Alrighty. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like after I sprayed. It's the same thing. It's just now wet with the pest spray. I'm gonna let it sit out here for a little bit, dry off, and then bring them in, clean them up, and hopefully the next time you see these guys, they're set up in their room. Alright guys, so we are officially all moved. All the plants are here at home. And until next time, relax, plant, and peace out.